What we're going to do is look up different metals on the periodic table of elements and assign one to each person here in a minute. And you're going to be required to list the atomic symbol, 4 applications, and usually there's one that's major that is what a metal is, most used for. So that's why I wrote most significant here. 3 strengths of it, 3 weaknesses of it. Is it poisonous? Is there special care needed because it is poisonous? So something like lead, for instance, would be poisonous, right? And a lot of these are poisonous because they, they're really specialized metals. The color of it, does it have electrical conductivity? Is it flammable? Remember, reactive metals you can light on fire, the chips and things, right? Like titanium, magnesium, zirconium. The melting temperature. So what do you have to turn in? You're gonna present it to class, and what I'll do is I'll go, you go with your metal, and then you'll go, and then we'll just go around and list everything. And we'll do the pronunciation before, so I'll type it in so we can get the actual pronunciation. Like you'll see that a lot of these are really hard to pronounce metals. And then you just turn in the paper. And I'm gonna give you a paper here in a minute. Yeah.
No sources?
No. We're not going that fancy. So, these are the metals right here. I just looked them up. Can you close this by chance? Close that. Close that. Close. Right. So we're starting up here, and you see like lithium, magnesium, sodium, aluminum, potassium, calcium. We know what all that stuff is. So we want more of the. You see iron, cobalt, nickel, copper. We can get down to about gallium. Then you get into some weird stuff, right? Strontium, yttrium. We know what zirconium is. Niobium.
Can I call dibs on gallium?
Technetium. Ruthenium, we know what that is. Rhodium. Platinum, those are the platinum group metals that we already went over, right? Silver. Cadmium, indium, tin. We know what that is. Cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium. The welders know what cerium is because there's ceriated tungsten they use for TIG welding. I'm not even trying to say that one. Neodymium, samarium. These are all the weird ones that we don't know. Is what we want to assign to each person.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah, there is. There's a lot. And you'll never forget what it is if you have the one metal, right? For the rest of your life, you'll know what seaborgium is. Not if you're on trivia. So what we're going to do now is I'll just assign one for each person and then bring it in on Monday. All right, so yeah, we're going to assign it and then we'll go from there.